Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that everything you thought you knew about the universe might be completely turned on its head, literally. Recent observations using the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed a puzzling phenomenon. Out of 263 distant galaxies, nearly 2/3 are spinning in the opposite direction to our Milky Way. This unexpected finding challenges our long-held expectation that galaxies should rotate in roughly equal numbers in both directions. Adding another layer to this cosmic mystery, a study published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society presents compelling statistical evidence of this galaxy spin asymmetry on a cosmological scale. The research suggests that if this bias is not just an observational fluke, it might force us to reconsider our methods of measuring distances in the universe and even our fundamental understanding of cosmic evolution. One intriguing theory proposes that our universe might have been born with an intrinsic rotation, supporting the concept of black hole cosmology, the radical idea that our entire universe could be the interior of a massive, rotating black hole. In this scenario, the overall spin observed in distant galaxies would naturally emerge from the universe's own rotational momentum, potentially explaining the accelerated expansion of the cosmos without invoking dark energy. On the other hand, some scientists argue that the observed imbalance could be the result of an observational bias. Due to the Earth's motion through the Milky Way, galaxies rotating counter to our own may appear slightly brighter because of Doppler effects, skewing our perception of their true numbers. Whether the universe is a colossal spinning black hole or our observations are simply being distorted by local motion, the implications are profound. So what does all this mean for our understanding of the universe? It tells us that there's still so much to learn. The discovery that nearly 2/3 of the 263 galaxies studied by the James Webb Telescope spin opposite to our Milky Way challenges the idea that galaxies should be evenly split between spinning one way or the other. This surprising imbalance opens up two main possibilities. One idea is that the universe may have been born with a natural rotation, which fits with the theory that our entire universe could be inside a giant, spinning black hole. If that's true, the overall spin we see in distant galaxies might be a result of this built-in rotation, and it could even help explain why the universe seems to be expanding faster without needing dark energy. The other possibility is that the imbalance might be caused by how we observe galaxies from Earth. Our own motion through space could make galaxies spinning in one direction look slightly brighter due to the Doppler effect, leading to an appearance of uneven numbers. Either way, these findings urge us to look closer and rethink how we measure and understand the cosmos. Each new image from the James Webb Telescope adds another piece to the puzzle, inviting us to explore the origins and structure of the universe with fresh eyes. Each possibility opens up a new chapter in our quest to understand the cosmos, pushing us closer to unraveling the deepest mysteries of space and time. With every new image captured by the James Webb Telescope, we are invited to rethink our place in the universe, questioning everything from the origins of cosmic rotation to the very structure of reality itself.